Welcome to another video presentation from discoverlasers.com. This video will provide an overview of how to utilize the scalar wave laser pulsar probes. There are 3 pulsar probes to choose from that you can work with the main unit scalar wave laser. The main scalar wave laser unit is the power source and the frequency generator for the individual probes. The probes come in 3 different wavelengths. The beginning probe, this one right here, is the red 650 nanometer 100 milliwatt laser probe. Next, we have the 780 nanometer infrared wavelength laser probe at 100 milliwatts. And next we have the 405 nanometer violet laser probe. All 3 of these probes can be purchased together with the main unit in what's called a scalar wave laser full set package. However, the probes are also available for purchase individually. In order to utilize the probes, one must plug it into a data cable. Here we have a data cable, and the end of the data cable has a flat part and the rest is round. So what I like to do is place my thumb on the flat part, and we'll just call that the top. And then we have the scalar wave laser, this black part inside of the laser here. This black plug is where it connects. So as I mentioned before, the flat part of the cord is the top, and it plugs in, just a little wiggle to the side, very subtle, and a good push, and we get a nice solid connection, at which point then we get the other end of the cord and plug it into the back of the probe. Inside of the probe, there is a certain part of the probe connection here that is the top. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but there's a gap of space here, so it can only fit in one way. So that's what I call the top, where that gap of space is. And then the flat part, the top of the cord, little wiggle back and forth, and a push, and it inserts in. And now we are ready to go with launching the program, whichever one you want to work with. Simply turn your laser on by pushing the star button and choose your setting. We're just going to go right into unwind, and you'll notice how the laser power is now coming through the probe. It's not coming out of the main aperture of the laser. The power and frequency have been routed through the data cable to the probe, which can now be focused on any part of the body. These probes, not only are they great for all of the things I previously mentioned, but all probes can be used to treat acupuncture points, such as the Hoku point here, and anywhere on the body where there are acupuncture points or trigger points. These probes can be easily worked into the tissues. They're very durable, and they can also be used to gently massage the acupuncture or pressure points.